Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today I wanted to do a Dollar Tree haul because it has been a minute since I've went to the Dollar Tree and I finally got to go, and believe it or not, they had my nails in stock. I was super pumped. Still am. I haven't put them on yet because I just gave up. I was like, you know what? I'm never going to find them again. I'm just going to start painting my nails. Like, sob story here. Like, for real, sob story. But I went and they had them, and I just had to show you guys the designs that they had because some of them are new. Some of them are just the nails that I always buy that you guys see me wear all the time. But I actually found a couple new designs and I wanted to share them with you. So the first new design that I found were these right here. These are like a black and white chevron or a gray and white chevron. And then it's got a black accent nail and a white accent nail. And the black actually has some glitter on it. So I thought those were super pretty. There was actually a lady overlooking at these and I was like, please don't buy those, because I was nowhere near them. I seen them from afar and I was like, lady, please just don't buy them. And she heard me. Like, I didn't say it out loud, but she heard me and she was like, I'm gonna respect, I'm not gonna buy them because I know how bad you want them. So I wish I would have actually bought a couple more because I really love those colors. Y'all know black and white are like my thing. This was actually the other new design that I found. These are more of like a rosy red, maybe. I don't really know, like a mauve color. I don't know how to explain colors, but you guys also know that I love polka dots, and these are really cool because they kind of start light at the bottom of your nail and then fade into dark, or I guess they would fade into light, but whatever. And these actually look shorter to me than the other nails. It may just be the design that's on these, but I feel like these look a little bit shorter than the other ones, which is perfectly good for me because I cannot rock long nails. The last new design that I picked up are actually just a completely nude shade nails, and they have got glitter all over them. These also fade from light to dark, so on your actual nail, some of your nail might show and then they kind of go darker as they go down, and they've got a really pretty glitter over them. I don't know if that is picking up on camera or not. Hopefully it is, because they're actually really pretty. I was kind of like, do I want these or no? Because I don't know. For some reason, I've never felt like my hands look good with just straight nude colors or like any kind of pale except like white. Like when it comes to white, I'm all about putting white nails on, but anything flesh toned, I just feel like my hands look, I don't know how to explain it. It's just, it could just be in my head, but I've just never liked it on myself. On other people, it looks great. On me, not so much. And that's it for the new designs, but I did pick up one of each of these guys. I got my leopard print ones right here. You guys know I love leopard print. And then I also picked up the ones that have the little bow on them. I just think those are so classy and cute at the same time. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it reminds me of, but it just makes me think of, something. I just don't know what it is. I can't get it out of my head and into words, but I like them. And then the last pair of those that I got are these right here. And these are just the classic French tip with the silver banding. So while I was over there, I don't know if you guys remember me hauling these a while ago, but I tried out these nails too. These are like the stiletto nails. And I was not really a fan of them back then, but here recently I've been wearing longer nails, so I've kind of been adjusting to it. I still don't like typing on a keyboard with them. I don't know why, but it just irritates my fingers to none other to type on a keyboard with long fingernails. But I'm kind of starting to get used to it, so I thought I would give these another try. And Valentine's Day is coming up, so I thought these would be super cute for Valentine's Day. And it would not be a nail haul if I did not pick up my super glue, because y'all know that's like my favorite thing to use. It costs $1 and there's 2 of them in there versus if you buy the nail glue. I'm not telling you to put super glue on your nails. You probably shouldn't do that. It's just what I do, so do not do that. But this is just what I like to use. I feel like it does a pretty good job of bonding the nail to my nail, so that's just what I use. And then the last nail type thing that I got was just this sanding block from Sassy and Chic. I really like these sanding blocks for nails because anytime you buy fake nails, they've always got like points on them and you gotta buff that off or you will scratch yourself or somebody else, and make a lot of enemies. So I always have to sand that off, or file that off. And that's it for the nail type stuff, but I did pick up a pack of these little headbands. I used to always love these when I was growing up, but my head's gotten bigger. So they don't really stay on too well, but like when I'm doing my makeup, I always lose hair clips. So to like clip this out of my face, I never have clips available. I should probably just buy those instead of these, but I like the idea of wearing these and keeping my hair out of my face, so that's why I bought those. I picked up this nail polish remover because obviously in order to put my nails on, I need to take this nail polish off. And I actually really do love black nail polish, but it can be like one of the hardest polishes for me to get off for some reason. I don't know if it's just the one that I use, if it just stays on really well or what, but it's the one you can get at Dollar Tree. It's Wet n Wild Mega Shine, I believe is what it's called, and it's the black one. This stuff stays on really good. I do chip my nails and I peel them, so they that's why I don't like painting them, because I would have to paint them every single day, and that's just, no, that's never been my thing. But yeah. But yeah, I got nail polish remover. And then the last thing that I picked up were some little Valentines for my son. He's not in school yet. He will be next year, or this year coming, but I figured he could fill these out for his friends and family because he loves everybody. So I figured I would let him spread the love, and I always liked Valentines. I think they're just so cute. So we got him some Spider-Man Valentines. Alright, you guys, and that is everything that I got in this Dollar Tree haul. Let me know which nails were your favorite down below, because I just don't know. I love them all so much. It's so hard for me to pick a favorite out of all of those. Well, that's all for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It means the world to me. Y'all, I do like a little happy dance every time that I get a subscriber and get a new friend. It just makes me so happy. Is that a sad life to live? Possibly, but whatever. I don't care. Judge me if you want to. That's all for now, you guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.